Hey, what is up guys? It is Harrison Barron. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel. So in this video, I want to tell you guys the 3 things you need to do in the beginning of 2020 to have a successful year on LinkedIn. Stay tuned. Right off the bat, number 1, start engaging with others. Look for like-minded people, look for people that you might be interested in networking with. If you're looking for a job, take some time to engage with other people that are either in your industry or like-minded. This might sound simple and it might sound weird, but if you go online and you search for different hashtags or anything like that, you could find a tremendous amount of data. Other people asking questions on the internet that you might have answers to. By going on, providing that valuable feedback to those people is not only going to make you look like a rock star, but 2, start to add those connections and you never know where they could lead. I've heard of stories such as people commenting on somebody's post and then getting a C-suite level position afterwards because they demonstrated everything that they've known on those posts. On top of that, everybody likes to get their stuff commented on, liked, and shared. Do the same for other people. If it's only going to help that other person and make you look good, why not share it out? Maybe your network's going to find some value in it. Take the time to start commenting on those people's stuff, share it out, and like it. It's going to go tremendously far in the social network, and because you're doing that, people are going to reciprocate, giving you more and more reach over time. Take the time, engage with others. It's probably number 1, the most important thing. Number 2, overhaul your profile. I have a bunch of videos on different things to do on your profile. Take some time in the beginning of the year and overhaul your profile. If you've recently gotten a new job, take some time, overhaul your profile. If you finished school, overhaul your profile. Do yourself a favor, spend some time, get a new profile image in there, a new background image in there. Make sure all of your stuff is up to date. I keep preaching this because it's so important for other people to find you. I know tons of people that are building their networks around the colleges they went to. And if you don't put your college information in there, you're never going to get those connections. Same thing with either organizations or groups or anything like that. Take the time to put that information in there. If you don't, you're going to miss potential opportunities that could lead who knows where, but only good things can come by adding in more information. If you're a person that likes to be really secret and stuff like that, add the bare minimum. The most basic information that doesn't give away all of your history, but if you're on the platform, you should be willing to give as much as you can, getting those connections and things like that. So do yourself a favor, overhaul your profile. Most importantly, headline, about me, profile picture, and background are the 4 most important parts of your profile. Take some time, dump 15, 20, 30 minutes in there, and really build out your profile so that way other people can find you, collaborate, and connect with you. Number 3, groups. There are hundreds of thousands of groups out there. Do yourself a favor and go spend time in them. I love telling people that all the action happens in the DMs, but going into somebody's group and messaging other people is a great way to start building engagement and start talking to like-minded individuals. If you're a photographer, I know there's photography groups. If you're in sales, I know there's sales groups. If you're an educator, I know there's education groups on there. There is groups for everything you could possibly imagine, both large and small groups. Do yourself a favor, go into these groups and start engaging with other people. People buy from people they like. They also want to know that they can trust you, right? You just came into their group, they don't know who you are. By adding value and providing that feedback to other people, whether it's questions or comments, that's a great way to start saying, hey, you know what? This person is an expert in so-and-so field. Because of that, you're going to immediately start to shine above everybody else. And when people say, hey, does anybody know so-and-so? They're going to say, absolutely, and here's his contact information. Ultimately helping you. It doesn't have to be in sales. It doesn't have to be in business. It could be even furthering your career. There is a ton of groups out there. The more time you spend on those groups is only going to benefit you. The reason is because everybody in there is like-minded and they want to help each other out. This is very different from being on your profile where you're just commenting on other people that you're connected with. You've been connected with these people for years. What you're going to be putting on there may not be impactful for them. It may very well be impactful to everybody in that group. So add a tremendous amount of value, comment, search for hashtags on there, and you're going to go very far in that area. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Those are the 3 main tips that I want to give you guys to start your 2020 off right. There's a ton of different things that you could do with your LinkedIn profile, but doing these 3 things is immediately going to start building that better engagement, start getting you to the point that you want to be on your LinkedIn profile, and really developing yourself as an industry expert. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that little bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you guys in the next video.